To get to Saranda, Albania, we took the Finicas Lines ferry from Corfu port. It took 1 hour and it cost us 15 euros per person.
Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, our first stop
really good.
in Albania, we're in Saranda at this place called
Sushi.
Try it.
It's hot.
This wine is 2 euros. This was
it was
$8.50.
full to the top.
Yeah, it was all the way up here.
I'm just trying tomato it.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Mm-hmm.
In Albania. Saranda.
Saranda.
I don't know. I just go with the flow, yo.
And this is like the main strip that you walk down. There's restaurants. There's I think it's supposed to be the only beach that's you don't have to pay for sunbeds. And there's a little, oh my gosh, there's a little inflatable thing.
Do we not have to pay here? Are you sure?
You don't have to pay to stay at the beach. If you would use the things, you have to.
That's crazy.
I think. Actually, I don't know.
Oh, actually, baby.
But
So,
hey guys, this is the fit for tonight.
Fit.
Unfortunately, with these because we're walking far. Because it's like a 25-minute walk just to get to this club that I think we're gonna go to. We'll see. But here's a little Zara dress. Here's his fit, Calvin, and I think we got these from Winners and Sambas.
I think I've worn these shorts 3 days in a row.
This is, I didn't show our place, but it's really cute. We're only here for one night. We have a balcony. And
Really
our
nice
bed.
place.
It's huge. And this was $80, $85 Canadian. Kind of nice. A fridge. This looks onto the street. And then I turn this off. And that's our front door. And there's a bathroom that I've taken over, but it's nice. The crazy thing is you have to like turn, oh, did you turn off the boiler?
Yeah.
You have to turn on and off the boiler so that you get hot water, but
Worth it.
it's expected. Okay, ready to go? We're gonna go get dinner and ice cream and then go out probably. We'll see. Oh, I hear music already.
Yeah.
Or is it on someone's car? The Saturday night. Okay, for the 8th millionth time. Because he's not obsessed.
And
But
it's only 400 left, which translates to like, I don't know,
basically 4 euros.
just under 4 euros.
And it's bumping out here. It smells really good, actually.
Sure.
Yep. She's talking with them. He's talking. They're filming. What's the end of?
Are we vlogging?
Mm-hmm.
Vlog, we just checked out of our hotel room, which was 5 stars, but it smelled like smoke. Someone smoked in there right before we got there. It was disgusting. So, I think we're both a little grumpy because we woke up and the first thing you smell is smoke, and then we have to run out, pack everything, and go walk and find our bus, which we can't figure out where it exists because the streets here are really confusing. So, we're
There's
banking
no
on a
bus
local.
stop. So it's just like a random street, I think, that you just get off and a bus shows up. I don't know what.
Okay, no, we're good.
So we're walking in that direction, hoping for the best. And our bus leaves in 50 minutes, I think. Okay, we're half an hour early, and we think that we found it. It's literally crazy. There's just roads, and then just random like little, not even buses. They're like those big vans. And there's not really any signs. You just walk and hope you find something, but I think we found it. The guy said that it's Himare at 11. So if you're in Saranda, that's the Himare bus that leaves at 10:30, and apparently there's one coming at 11. Oh, this might be it here. maybe this is the one coming at 11. We're sending Sam on a mission to go see if this is the right bus. I do like that they have signs in the windows.
We did end up finding our bus, and the best way to do this, we were told, was just asking the locals where the stop was. We purchased our tickets online through Giraffe Travel, but you can purchase them in person as well. It was 10 euros per person and an hour and a half ride from Saranda to Himare, and a really bumpy one.
Don't take that bus if you get car sick.
You need to have a strong stomach to go on that.
It was an hour and a half of
Twists and turns
literally
on a mountain.
turns on a mountain fast. Yeah, these are the steps right here. But at least our Airbnb is like under a 10-minute walk because poor Sam has all the heavy bags. Oh boy.
Oh.
We have almost survived from our bus ride.
We're malnourished.
But look at, this is where we are for lunch. It's called
Beautiful.
Acta restaurant, and it's literally just 2 minutes away from our Airbnb. It's crazy. There's people jumping off these rocks here. So the beach that we'll go to tomorrow, there's one right there in between those two mountains, and it's called Filariki Beach. And there's, I think, Lavana over there. Are you ready to eat?
Yes.
He's not feeling well from that motion sickness.
That bus ride's crazy. But we just got 2 wood oven pizzas, so we're excited.
And we got some sugar.
Yes, and hopefully tonight we're gonna get some traditional Albanian food.
Yeah, so we will find some. We'll do lamb chops or something. We did it. I have to whisper because we share a balcony. Sam's out here stretching. We're gonna go for dinner. I just have to find the place. He's hungry. We're at this place for dinner. In Himarë Promenade. And it's pretty busy. We're both getting lamb tonight. We're gonna try a Greek
Lamb
dish.
klaftico?
Klaftifa or something.
Pico.
We'll try it. We'll try it out.
Fact checking. Klaftico. If I'm even saying it
And we'll
right.
see if it's good. I think the portions look big here. Thanks, chauffeur.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing. So we had a great dinner. I like Himare way better than Saranda.
Doesn't feel like a trap house.
No. I didn't bring my phone to the beach today, but the beach was so nice, except there were so many fish, which I do not like and he loves.
I love.
And tomorrow we're gonna go to a different beach probably.
And there's these little fish, I forget what they're called. We saw them in Cuba too. But I have a cut on my leg, a burn actually, and they were eating my scab. See how it stops right there?
That's insane.
That's where they ate it.
They mucked those fish. So you get the free, what's it called? Corfu, the free,
Yeah,
the fish
skincare.
skin fish thingy. Anyways, it's 11. We're gonna go to bed soon because we want to spend the whole day at the
We've
beach.
been sleeping in, well, mainly because we've had like really late nights.
Mm-hmm. I didn't even think I showed the place, but this is kind of it.
It's really nice.
Maybe I'll show
Your
it better
shoulder's up.
tomorrow. Yeah. I got all my stuff spread out. Okay, good night.
Adios.
Good morning, guys. We're in Himarë again today. And this is our view from our balcony. I literally can't believe it. It's so pretty. I look so tired. We slept till like 10:30. We wanted to get up early, but I think we're still tired from all the traveling. We're gonna go to, I think, a beach club today to like sit on chairs. I think there's some that's like 20 euro for both of us, so that's pretty good. And we were gonna go to this beach over here, but it's a 1 hour walk, and you have to like walk down that massive mountain. So I think we're just gonna go down here because it's only 7 minutes, and then tomorrow we might do like a boat tour so that it can take us to other beaches. But it's beautiful here. Like, I'm happy with staying here. We're at the beach bar that's at, what's it called? Namos Beach. It's an 8-minute walk from our place. It's called Namos Beach, and it's a beach bar. It was really inexpensive if you know Europe. It was only 10 euro for 2 beach chairs and this umbrella and a little table for the whole day. So it's really nice. They're comfy. They have like drinks and food. I got this Freddo cappuccino for 3 euro or 300 lek. It's so good. And I don't know, there's not really like any other places to eat here unless you walk back up to the town, which is only like a 5-minute walk, but it's uphill. So we're gonna hang out here as long as we can, I think. Successful beach day.
Awesome beach day.
I'm so dark. And he's so burnt.
We were there for like 6.5 hours, I think.
Mm-hmm. Hi guys. He's hungry. This is what we're having for dinner. Or this is where we're going for dinner. Taverna Stoles. With the most beautiful walk.
It was lovely. Yeah, we'll see.
You got meat and potatoes and french fry for him. This wine was $2.50, which, like 250 lek, which is €2.50. These are my meatballs. A snack at most. Just cute here. It's 12:30 and we're doing a boat tour to Pirates Cove today for 30 euro each. It's 2.5 hours in the hot sun, and we're out of sunscreen. So, I'm bringing my phone with me. Let's hope it's fine.
It's a hot one today.
It is hot. Vlog, I'm not gonna lie. We forgot to vlog a lot today.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I don't even lost my thought.
But that's because we had a near-death experience on the Himare Seize the Day boat trip. I think
Is it Seize the Day or Seaside?
No, Seize of the Day or something.
Okay.
I'll look it up. Anyways, it would have been great if it was nice and calm, but the waves were crazy, and you can't tell. Like, look right now. Looks calm. You would never know. You get out there.
It was so choppy. I grew up with the boat, and I've never seen waves that big in my
literally
life.
like 8 feet waves.
It was crazy.
I thought we were gonna die, and I like boats.
Yeah, we both love boats, but that was gross. And lots of people were feeling sick on our boat too.
Yeah, people were throwing up.
Yeah.
We felt sick.
So yeah, there's 30 euros each. We'll never get back.
But it was cool.
It was cool.
just
We saw
like-
some cool beaches.
It was just crazy.
Excuse me.
Look how cute he is though. Good morning.
Good morning.
From Himare, and it's our last day. Well, maybe this is our bus. Oh, I see a lot of people. It's our last day And we're going to Tirana with a 4.5, maybe 5-hour bus ride. In all of Albania, the bus station is not a bus station. It's literally just in the middle of nowhere. So like where that car is the bus station. How would you know that? You wouldn't. You just have to ask a bunch of locals. But yeah, our bus is late. Here in Himare, this is the bus station right here, across from Miraculous Fast Food and Grill and the market.